(1886) was an important year for Ormond. It was so difficult for people, mail, and goods to reach Ormond in those days. Up until 1885, all our supplies and visitors came by boat and then by carriage or buck stage from St. Augustine.
Thanks to Stephen Van Cullen White, who worked with Utley White, construction began on the St. Johns and Halifax River Railroad. Utley White had railroad experience, and at one time he managed a horse and mule-drawn railway to St. Augustine.
Right, Mary. He was in charge of 24 horses and mules. Later he became prosperous in the logging business and was able to extend a narrow-gauge railroad south. In 1885, the railroad ran from Palatka, St. Augustine, and Jacksonville, and arrangements were made to extend it to Ormond.
Many obstacles were in the path of our railroad. Marshes were almost impossible to fill in, and the train car loads of dirt just disappeared out of sight.
Finally, logs were used to make a mattress on which to dump the dirt. But I remember that once they solved that problem, another arose, coquina rock. My, oh my, so much rock and no machinery to cut through it. But the men were not to be deterred. They did the work by hand. Rain, lightning, mosquitoes, and reptiles didn't help either.
I can still see the Ormond brass band and hear that train whistle blow as the wobbly St. John's and Halifax train first rolled into Ormond. Finally, we could begin shipping our citrus north without it spoiling before it got to the folks who wanted our wonderful oranges.